Hi, this is MM12 from 123, also known as the Kaylee. I'm going to talk about nothing.
Isn't that funny?
That's not
Nothing is awesome.
This is my friend Kim.
I went shopping at Walmart the other day.
She's
I'm going to Virginia.
In like the 31st of August. She's so She moved in here about like 8 months ago, so now we're about to be buddies.
She got ran over by a car one day. My mom helped her.
That's how I met her. I got ran over by a dang freaking car.
Not really.
When in like the winter, I didn't really get ran over. I got hit. Well, anyway, one day her mom was like, while she was in Jordan for her last week of school, her mom was at her house shoveling her driveway. And all of a sudden, I go to cross the damn frickin' street, and this one car was like turning left, and it just kept going straight. And the direction signal had left, and I got hit. It kept going.
How high did you go up in the air?
I landed on my ass. Okay, that's all I'm telling you. And it hurt. I didn't cry though. Then a police officer drove me to school. I don't know. And then everybody felt bad for me.
Oh, guess what?
Yeah, okay.
I taught my dog how to high five.
This is my poodle, Holly. Look at that little growly face.
You want to show him the kitten?
This is my dead doggy. Say hi, Dirty. He's a wiener dog. A sexy wiener dog. Okay, go to lay down. Okay, Kim, you stall while I go get kittens. We have like 7 kittens, so.
Okay.
Stall, Kim.
My dog's name is Nugget. She's a golden retriever.
She's really mad. Don't tell her I said that.
Who's your noodle poodle?
Who's your baby?
Don't bite me. Don't bite me. And here comes Angel and Boots. Once their name was this one.
Angel.
Yeah. Okay. That's enough. You don't need to hurt it.
And this is Boots.
Poodle wants to be in the pit though. Bye.
Don't have your ass on the dang camera.
This is Bootsy Boots.
She's very cautious. Yeah, she's gonna hide your face from the camera. I know.
Hi.
That's Angel. She's very, very lovable. So that's why we called her Angel. Want me to go get 2 more? And then I'll get the other 3? Yes. Now you stall again. Bye! See you later!
Whoa. Okay. Did you guys know I'm in a band? I mean, like, awesome. I'm the lead singer. Okay. I was gonna go swimming today. I didn't feel like it. So maybe later. No. And here come the 2 more kittens. My favorite.
These are the first bunch. As you see, they're a lot more bigger than the others. Ew, what farted? As you see on the head right here, this is not like candy or anything, and get yourself out of the camera, dog. Anyway, this right here is a boo-boo. It's like, you can see her skull.
Holly, down.
You can see her skull.
Where you going?
This is Maya, the Maya. Hi, boys and girls. And that is Kim. Kim the kitten.
And my name is Kimberly. Oh, get that damn cat! you can see, Poodle's being a very bad dog.
I mean, very bad dog. You're gonna land in the garbage can.
Hi, boys and girls. My name is Kim. My name is Kim too. We are best friends.
Yes.
Bye bye. Okay, as you can see, I'm alone again. Again. What's your guys' favorite show? I wouldn't know. I haven't had cable in a while.
Get off the couch!
I really like the stalling thing.
You really like the stalling thing, And yes, those are kittens.
Real kittens.
Real kittens. And I'm Father123, and this is Kimberly. And I'm McKaylee.
No. Wait, how do you do
Please check out my fucking channel, okay? Because I don't like when people never leave comments anymore. Because I'm not barely on anymore. Okay? Get it? Got it. See you later.